What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another review. This time we have the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, this is a replica. This is a dummy model. This is not the real phone, guys, so just keep that in mind. This is for trying on the cases specifically. I want to go ahead and get that out of the way before somebody says, "Oh, that's not the real phone," or "That looks cheap, that looks plastic." No, this is fake. This is a dummy phone. Okay. Disclaimer is out of the way. Let's jump into this video. So the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, this is it right here, sitting over here on this nice little stand I got from Subcase. Over here to the side, you notice we got the 3 cameras in the back as predicted. We got all the sensors, we got everything. Okay, we got the form factor. That's enough about that. It's a fake phone. We'll do a full review when the real phone comes out. But what is real are these cases that I have right here. These are from i-Blason. These are the Cosmo series. So let's get these open and let's see how they look on this new Galaxy Note. All right, guys, so there we have it. 3 of the brand new cases, the Cosmo cases for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. We got the pink, the purple, and the blue in fashion for the ladies. This season will be great for you guys. Nice colors, nice patterns. Let's get these tried on. Now, I'm going to, you know what? Let's just try on all of them, okay? Now, your Cosmo case, you got to remember, on your Cosmo case, there's gonna be a little sticker down here. You're gonna always remove from this corner. All of these just have a face on them that's gonna remove and attach around the front, and this is gonna go in the back. So I'm gonna pop this on, just like that. Drop it in, just like so, and voila, there we go. So as you can see, nice shine, nice sheen. Your camera, let's make sure we got everything in there snapped in. Your camera is nice and protected. Look right there. No issues around that camera. Your camera's gonna be great. It's not gonna get scratched up. Right here, there are bezels. Shout out to Floss. I know he slams it harder, but you know, hey, I tried. But there we go. No issues with that screen. You're gonna be protected. That's the purple. Moving right along. Let's try the blue. So ladies, you got a lot of choices. And guys, if you like the Cosmo, you feel free to go get one. But mainly I'm talking to the ladies, because mostly ladies will have these bright colored cases. Guys, I got something coming for you a little later on. But there we go. Look at that. Once again, same case, just different color. Everything lines up. Look at the top. You got everything up here. Dual speakers on the top, your speakers on the bottom, charging ports and pencil. Everything lines up. Everything looks good. Buttons on the side. Now, this is a plastic dummy phone, so buttons won't click. We'll know what they really feel like when the real phone comes out. Like I said, I'm just giving you guys a preview, but in my book, looks nice. Looks like you can carry that. Moving on, throw that to the side. Last case. This is the pink. We know ladies love their pink. Snap it on. Boom. There you go. Looks good. Feels good in the hand. It's not slippery. It's not slick. Once again, camera test. There we go. Sits in that nice recess. All our buttons match up, our cutouts match up. What more can you ask for from i-Blason? Great company, great cases to have. Also for the Cosmo, there's a fourth color, a fourth variant that I omitted for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's another blue variant. Let's see. Has marble backing. It looks like a marble table, but you get the same protection with this case as with the others. You get the same exact protection as with this case as with the others. Camera's nice and protected. Edges nice and hard. Everything looks good. Everything matches up. It's a great case line for you to have for that brand new Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I'll be sure and leave a link below to these cases. You can go and pre-order them now. So I hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.